Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with another awesome red bar and Homestead video awesomeness. And what we have here is a what?
Earthway.
Earthway what?
Cedar.
Oh, okay, cedar.
Cedar.
There's a lot of really wordy videos out there that we were kind of looking at on how this thing works. So we figured we'd cut to the chase for you. I figured show you how it works. The details are pretty simple. If you've already looked at them, you've read them online. But long story short, your power wheel's up front here. So this pushes along the dirt and spins. There is a belt that powers a little spinning wheel here, and what this does is it you put all your seeds in this compartment here, and it in theory grabs one and plinks it down the hole. That hole goes down to the bottom. Get this thing to sit. Plinks down to a hole here. This little cultivator or hole digger, whatever you want to call it, pushes the dirt away, puts the seed in it, and then the chain, which actually rides in the back, will then recover up the seed, and then this wheel pats it down essentially. So you could, in theory, walk along and it will just plop, plop, plop seeds in. How do you change the plopping of seeds? Well, it comes with a variety of discs, and it says on the disc what everything is. So this one happens to be a pea disc, and you can tell it's built for bigger peas, bigger seeds, where this one's a cabbage or turnips, small seeds, things like that, radishes I would guess. Sweet corn, which we'll probably use today, medium, different sizes and stuff like that. So you just pick the plate you want to run in it, and it's pretty much just you screw it on, you click it in, you click it off, you take it off type of deal. So that's how it is in theory. This one also has a road measurer, I guess, so you can go ahead and do that.
I'm not sure if I can.
Yeah, we got this one from my mother-in-law, and I don't know where she got it from. So she might have stole it from some homeless guy, I don't know. So yeah, you just stick it on there and then you rotate it like you were tightening a bolt essentially. And then its turning action will help self-tighten it. So
I gotta find the spot where it goes. There we go.
click.
And it just turns in like that.
Fantastic. Okay. And now if you power the wheel, it turns automatically too. And its spacing is automatically determined. So there you go with that. Let's go to the garden. It's super windy out. So we threw some peas in there. Not a ton of peas. We don't have a ton of peas yet, but we're getting our rows going. So our rows are going to be flat this year. We usually bank them, but we got it set for 1 inch. And we'll start it there, and there you walk.
I'm gonna watch this.
Sure. I guess you don't have to go fast, do you? It already grabbed 2 of them right there. See, that's not cool.
That's what, yeah, it said for smaller peas you had to use the other one.
We're missing one of the blades. Maybe we can find another one that works better. What do you think?
I don't know, maybe.
Give it a spin. Okay, so, well, we were getting all excited because we're gonna like, hey, this is perfect, right? But the problem we ran into is, if we have the pea disc here, what happens is our pea seed's a little small for this one. So it grabs 2, which is not cool for us, or none actually is what we actually found. It's 2 or none or 1 occasionally. It says use the bean disc, but we don't have one. And so, okay, we'll try it on corn. So we've got the corn in there, but you can turn the front wheel and see it's grabbing 2 seeds at a time for sweet corn, or 3 sometimes. So that's no good either. So our problem is that its refinement of seed, unfortunately, and this is kind of expected to a degree, isn't great, meaning that, you know, sometimes seeds are different in size, and that, you know, making a disc that cover all just won't cover it all. So we're gonna have to hand seed it anyway, just because we don't want to dink around with the garden, right? We plant this once a year. We don't want to botch it planting doubles and things like that. So we'll do it by hand, but that's our issue with this the cedar, is that it's just not accurate enough, and we're only doing what? This is a 50 by 150 size garden here, and you know, we'll just have to do it by hand. So that's kind of our up top tip, but if you got recommendations or ideas, please let us know. So thanks guys, have a good day.